Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay. Aquarius, Aquarius, Aquarius. Hold on a second. Wait. Let me scan really fast. Just kind of getting a store. Never mind. See, I was trying to give y'all a little glimmer of hope, like, yeah, it's somebody new coming in. You gotta be patient. Go out with your friends. No, it's the past person. I even saw at the bottom of the deck. No. All right, I tried, y'all. I really did, but no. So, oh Lord, help us. Okay, what I'm seeing here, Aquarius, is that somebody from the past, they need to come back and express their love to you. But it's going to happen all in divine timing. I feel like your guides, your angels, your ancestors, they're working behind the scenes. Especially with this person, because I feel like they're still going through something, which is why they're saying patience is still needed at this time. This person that I'm referring to is someone that you have dealt with in a past life. For a lot of you, this could be, the person that you're supposed to be with, whether it's soulmate, twin flame, whatever, but yeah. I know y'all, but they're coming back. I'm even annoyed that I have to say it, but it's the energy here, so let's just roll with me, okay? Okay, just get in the back seat. Let's just ride. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Wands reversed. So see, little to no communication. So some of you guys, either you're still not talking to this person, or you haven't heard from this person, or you've heard from this person, but the communication is really like iffy. It's here and there, touch and go, So let's see. So yeah, this person, basically the seeds that were planted with you, this person wants them to grow. They definitely want things to improve, and look at that, there you are, Aquarius. You could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, like yourself, Gemini, or a Libra. But y'all are done. Y'all tired. I mean, yeah, y'all done. And it's like you want to hear from this person. You want the truth, but your guard is up at this point. You're tired of the BS. You're tired of the nonsense. You're tired of the in and out energy, the wishy-washy behavior. The person couldn't make up their mind. You're over it. That's why your guard is up. But I feel like this person, I just heard, I don't want to be a player no more. Lord. Okay. Jesus. It's like they want to come back. They want to rush back in. Maybe this person was being a player in the past, but I feel like there's something that they want to open up to express to you, but at the same time, they're still holding back. See? Because this person, they hurt you, and they want to make it right. You guys have just been healing. You guys have just been moving forward. See? And by you doing that, this person basically wants to rush back in. It's like they're coming out of being frustrated. They're coming out of this energy of having you wait. They want to come back and do right by you. They want to make this right. Tell me more. See? Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer, but this person definitely wants to move forward with you. Okay. Could be dealing with the Libra. Justice. Why is Justice here for Aquarius? A decision. And it was worth waiting for. So maybe somebody is trying to make a decision when they come back towards you to speak their truth to you. For others of you, maybe this person is trying to basically wait on some type of court decision before they can come back, and that's why patience is needed. Let's see. Tell me more. Yeah. See? It could be court situation because somebody may have to, pay out something. Or it's like they're trying to get out of something. And that's why Spirit is saying patience is needed. Maybe this person, they're worried about speaking their truth to you because they're feeling like you may not take this offer from them. Let's see. See, 4 of Pentacles. So they do want things to improve with you, but I'm telling you, something's going on money-wise as well. And see, the way the moon came out, you could be dealing with the Pisces, but I'm picking up this energy where they know that they're going to have to speak their truth, but they're still afraid of what the outcome may be. They don't know what you're going to say to them because, you know, they hid things from you. They lied. They're going to have to come clean, see? Some of them could have been in a commitment. Some of them could have been in, I can't even talk. Gosh, ugh. Sorry, y'all. Some of them could have been in a commitment. Some of them could have been in a marriage that they're having to get out of, which is why I told you, you know, they're coming to speak their truth. They have to wait on a decision from, like, you know, the courts or whatever, and they may have to pay out, but they're afraid that you don't want to be with them anymore because of, you know, all the lies, the secrets, things that they hid from you, them not being honest. And see, they're back and forth. See what I'm saying? They're back and forth. It's like 1 minute they make a decision, the next minute they're stuck trying to decide on what to do, on how to fix this. Somebody could have been dealing with the Taurus, but see, the way the Seven of Cups came out, it's like, I'm telling you, they're trying to make a decision, you know, but honestly, they don't really even know how to fix this. They just want to move forward. They don't want you guys to look back at what took place in the past because this person does want a commitment with you, but they're still moving slow. Tell me more. Yep, they're isolating themselves from you right now. Somebody could be dealing with the Virgo. See, little to no communication. That's what I'm saying. It's like either you're not talking to this person, or you've been hearing from them, but it's really touch and go. Exactly what I was saying in the beginning. See? They know that they didn't bring balance to you, and they're feeling like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but I feel like somebody, again, they're worried about their money. You know, because somebody could be trying to go after them. Yep, by them getting out of some type of partnership, commitment, marriage, whatever it is, you know, and by them taking so long, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. So I'm saying that they want to balance things out with you, but they're needing to get out of some type of situation here that's not good for them. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. I am seeing a Sagittarius, and I do have a Capricorn here. See, they're worried. There's fear here. They don't know if you're gonna take them back. It's like they've taken so long to make things right with you, and now they're regretting everything. Like, this person can't sleep, and honestly, yep, okay. This is definitely soulmate, possible twin flame, because I just heard some of you guys can't sleep. You're wondering why, you know, you're tossing and turning in your bed. You're waking up all, you know, times of the night and wee hours of the morning. You know, it's hard for you to, you know, get a good night's rest. It's because you're picking up on this person's energy. Yeah, you're picking up on them. See, and they're sad. And this person knows that they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but they're trying to get advice because they want to take a leap to fix things with you. See? This person isn't confused. They're not in their head anymore. They know what they want to do. And see, they're going to free themselves from a situation. Something simple like this. They felt stuck. See? Yeah, they felt stuck in a situation. They're going to get out of it. They're trying to free themselves. So if your person is committed to someone else, they're going to be single. They're getting out. Tell me more. Yep, they're making changes right now, but they're afraid that it's too late. They lost you. They're afraid you're not going to take this offer. And they're having a hard time with it because they know that you're not happy with them. There's the Emperor. This person definitely wants stability with you. They want to come back and make this right. You know, this person wants to have a family with you. You are their wish fulfillment. Tell me more. And they're going to be confident. They're coming back, guys. Look, see? They're going to rush back in. This person's coming. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm going for, did I say if y'all were dealing with an Aries? I don't know. If I did, cool. If I didn't, sorry. But whatever. Anyway, I'm telling y'all, this person's going to rush back in because they want to have a new opportunity with you. But they're afraid that it's not going to happen because, see, they didn't balance things out. You were the one doing everything. You were the one always calling, texting, reaching out, making plans, you know, and they didn't follow up with you, you know. It's like this person, they're not positive. I'm telling y'all, they're trying to stay positive, but they're not. I feel like this person played a lot of games with you, a lot of games with your emotions, and now they're realizing you're the one that they're supposed to be with. And that's why they're having such a hard time. Like, I don't know if Aquarius is going to take me back. Crosswatcher, if you're dealing with an Aquarius, is how they're feeling about you. They don't know what's going to take place because, look, they were being very immature and childish. See? Didn't I just say they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of everything? Like, you're their person. They know this. They know it now. And because they play games, they're like, it's a wrap. It's not going to happen. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Tell me more. She's more so down for me. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But yeah, there was interference here. Clarify the Queen of Wands reverse, please. Yep. And I feel like this person wasn't cutting off. Whoever was interfering, whether it's a love interest, family, it's like this person wasn't, they didn't make the decision to end things. They kept entertaining it, kept, doing for this other person or for other people and kept putting you on the back end, But I feel like now they're realizing, like, I messed up. They do not want you guys to cut them off at all. And this was a lesson for them. And now they learned their lesson and now they're wanting to move forward with you. Could be dealing with the air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See what I'm saying? This person doesn't want you to cut them off. But they're going to have to make a decision. Because I'm seeing they want a new beginning here, but they're going to have to make a move. And see, Spirit is saying they're still not listening to their intuition because they're not putting in the work to come back towards you because of the fact that they left you hanging. They left you out in the cold for this other situation, whether it's love, interest, family, friends. I told you, they put other people or this other individual, first. And this is why they're hesitating. They need to come back and speak their truth. Tell me more. I can't make this up. There's Ace of Swords. That's communication. Clearing away obstacles to come back towards you to tell you what's going on. How they're thinking, how they're feeling, what's happening, on their end. They're coming out of being frustrated about this situation. Tell me more. But they know they're going to have to start all the way over with you. They got to start over. That's that small offer, see? I can't make this up. Third party energy, hands down. They're needing to get out of a third party situation, but I'm seeing that somebody may come back and ask you guys out. They're just afraid that it may not go anywhere because of everything that they have done to you. Aquarius, you could be dealing with another Aquarius, but it's like they know that you guys lost hope, that things may move forward, and this is why they're up at night. This is why they're worried. They feel like you're going to drop them for good when they do come back and speak their truth because of how they treated you. Because of the fact that they did break your heart being in this third party situation. But I'm telling you, they're going to walk away. They're going to walk away from whoever they've been dealing with to come back and give you this stable, secure offer. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with the Leo. But I'm telling you, they're going to have the strength to come back and give you this offer. But right now, they're having to deal with some type of home or family situation that they're going to have to get out of. See? They're coming back to turn things around. But see, I'm going to take it back and forth because it's like, it's teetering. But, yeah, see, they're sad because they feel like they lost you. But I'm telling you, somebody's taking a hit financially. And that's why they stay stuck in a situation for so long, giving to someone. And if they leave, they may take a hit. But at the same time, they don't want to wait anymore because they know the longer that they stay in this situation, they know they're not happy. And then they're afraid that you're going to move on. I feel like a lot of you have moved on. A lot of you guys could have possibly already met someone new. And this is their worst nightmare because they're like, okay, now this is my person, and now because of my screw-ups, I'm about to lose him or I'm about to lose her for good. So they're going to have to make a move. See? Ace of Cups, they're going to have to give you this offer. You're not reaching out. You're not dealing with them. Because if they don't give you this offer, if they don't say anything to you, they're not going to have a new beginning, and that's what they recognize now. They know they can't play around. But see, they're trying to decide how to go about doing this. Because look, ultimately they want that victory with you. I told you, they had an epiphany. They know you're their person, see? They want a future with you. They want to move forward with you, and they're upset. I can't make this up, Aquarius. They're upset. They're emotional right now because they know they messed up with you. You're their person. And see, they're not content right now at all. They're not content, and this is why Aquarius, I can't make this up. Y'all got, my hand is on my head, okay? Let me tell you something. I told you, this person had you in some type of third-party situation, right? And they wouldn't make a decision, but now they have an epiphany about what's to come. I'm going to be honest with you. I feel like, when I'm saying epiphany, I feel like Spirit showed them something. I feel like your person is very intuitive as well, whether or not they realize it, they tap into their gifts, but they were shown. You see these two men here? It could be two women. I feel like they showed them